Welcome back to this training series. So in this WordPress tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install WordPress theme through WordPress theme directory. Take note, this is a continuation of our previous videos. So to install WordPress theme, go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance, then Theme, then Add New. You can search for the theme. You can search for theme through the search box. You can also search for theme based on the latest or by clicking Feature Filter. When you see a theme you like, you can either choose to install it or preview it. If you like this theme, click on Install and Activate. So this is how to install WordPress theme from WordPress theme directory. If this is your first time of watching our video, please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any question. See you in the next video.